Yo, hey guys, Ken Perryman here, and I am back again with another product, and it is this guy right here. Winyo, I believe is their name. This set of bracketry is part of a secondary project that I'm doing in combination with this. And in purchasing this, they're going to support a set of lights that I'm going to be putting on my Jeep right there, right there. So without further ado, I'm going to demonstrate putting them on, but then I'm going to take them right back off so that I can thread the light into it first. Unfortunately, it is a step off, which is great about these. They're stepped off from the paint, so you won't scratch the paint with the bolts. But the problem is you can't get the bolt in unless this is in. Or, sorry, unless this is off, and then you put it in with the bolt. Anyway, watch this. So in the box, simple enough, very complete instructions. Starting off with number one, remove the factory set screws as shown. Install the light bracket and tighten with the factory screws. Install the light and or bracket. Now they're saying to install this after the fact. If the threading is loose enough or short enough that I can do that, I might. No, because it goes in, yeah. So anyway, and then you install the light. So let's continue on to show you what's inside the box here. It's simple enough. They're just the two brackets, and they sit like so, as you can see here. Right? And they should be one over the other, sitting a little more balanced. One's deeper than the other, and it's probably this guy. It just says install the brackets, so let's go ahead and do that real quick. Like this should, yes, okay, and the deeper socket's there. So the one with the deeper setup shall go. Let's get to work here. And now, just so you know, the reason why I have the hood up is because I'm going to be using my auxiliary switches that are inside the truck, the Jeep here, and these are the wires here, if you can see that. All right, loosening. Here. So, and there it is. Solid. Very solid. I like it. I like it. Very solid. So I can set a set of lights on there. It's going to look great. So, and there it is. Locked in. Solid. Not going anywhere. Now I should be able to run a bolt up underneath here. And I might be able to make this work with the lights. But we'll check it out. We'll see. Give it a little bit more of a crank here. Yeah. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. And then of course you can set your screw in here. I might be able to get this just as it in if I lay the screw and then tilt it up. So this might work. All right, guys, I love this setup. We'll show you a video here at the end. Actually, we'll just show it to you right now of how this looks. A short little video of walking by it, taking a look at it with the light set up in here. You'll see how it looks. It looks really nice. But with all that, guys, I hope this was helpful for you. I really do appreciate your time, and I'm out.